Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm Casey Jones, one of your Amsoil twins. Today we're going to replace the stabilizer on my 2021 Jeep Wrangler. Having a little issues with it staying on the road and tracking. I'm hoping that this new Buildstein stabilizer is going to fix that. Chose to go with the Buildstein stabilizer. I think Buildstein provides value and performance, the right mix of that. I used Buildstein on my prior vehicles. I've been very happy with it. Inside the box, of course, we got the stabilizer, a little swag sticker from them, the instruction manual, and it looks like a bolt for mounting it. The location of the stabilizer is under the passenger section of where the axle is at. So you see the factory stabilizer currently mounted. That's where the new stabilizer will be installed. Before loosening nuts and bolts, I like to lubricate them. My favorite part to use is the Amsoil metal protector. The Amsoil metal protector lubricates, frees rusty parts, protects against corrosion, and displaces moisture. It can be ordered by calling 866-956-5695 or visiting www.oiltwins.com. On the passenger side, you can't reuse the existing bolt. They gave you a new one. So we'll use that while I get the stabilizer hanging in there. Drop in the new bolts with the washers. And we'll get it started. Then we'll connect the other side. So this side of the stabilizer needs to be mounted right there. So to do that, I'm going to need to start the vehicle and turn the wheels. We'll get it lined up. Put back the existing bolts. All right, to do this, you're going to need to use a 3/4 or 19 millimeter. So Jeep used 18, Buildstein provided a 19 millimeter. So there's the new stabilizer installed. And all we got left to do is to pick up our mess and go for a test drive. So let's give a little drive down the road. My initial thoughts are that it's definitely, I can feel the additional resistance in the steering. It seems like that it's not wobbly as much, I guess. It wants to track a lot straighter, and there's much improvement over the worn out stock stabilizer. So I give a big thumbs up to the Buildstein stabilizer. So to wrap things up here, new stabilizer is working great. We need your support though. We need you to buy your Amsoil products from the Oil Twins. We need you to like and subscribe to our videos and help us get this video distributed. There's going to be more videos coming up when I get the Buildstein shocks and put them on the JL. Until then, be safe, have fun, love your family, love God.